Question is to calculate the mass of a non-volatile solute. Molar mass is 40 gram per mole, which should be dissolved in 114 gram octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. So let the initial vapor pressure of octane be PO naught. After adding solute to octane, the vapor pressure becomes 80 divided by 100 into PO naught, which gives us 0.8 PO naught. Since the vapor pressure reduced to 80%, so we used this and we got the vapor pressure as 0.8 PO naught. Okay. So moles of octane is 114 divided by 114, as the molar mass of octane is 114. So moles of octane is 1. Okay. Using Raoult's law, we get PO naught minus P divided by PO naught is equal to X2, where X2 is the mole fraction. So PO naught minus 0.8 PO naught divided by PO naught is equal to W by 40, since the molar mass is 40, divided by W by 40 plus 1, since the moles of octane is 1. So after solving this equation, we get the value of W as 10 gram. Hence the required mass of non-volatile solute is 10